Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Libras. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, Libras, we are picking few cards. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, Libras. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Libras, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, you can watch that reading, guys, Libras. And if you are interested in a personal reading, I have shared my good friend's link. She does give personal reading in favor. So if you are interested, you can contact her, guys, Libras. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies. We have Fortune's Wheel, Four of Spheres, and Seven of Suns in reverse. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your career or maybe in your relationship, your personal life, you are going through a lot of changes. Certain things may go as you expect, certain things may not. Certain things you may see that you do not have any control, and there are changes happening without your uh, involvement. So, in your work or in your personal life, there are some good changes and some bad changes. Some beginning may be there on certain things, or you may be doing well in your work. You may see some good opportunities coming your way. So, overall, you feel that everything is happening as it should. There is some kind of fate or karma working in your life today, and nothing is in your hands. That is what you feel even when things are going really well. You may feel that you do not have anything that has influence, or you have not done anything for having influenced that positive change in your life today. So, destiny is working in many ways today in your life, Libras, and you feel really happy about something, but on some things you may have a lot of anxiety. It may be in this relationship, maybe you're worried about something, anxious about the way things will go or what will happen, what to decide, because you love this person and you don't know how to decide on certain thing, whether to uh, think of the circumstance from your standpoint and go for some choices, or whether to listen to this person, so what it will be. So a lot of confusion, doubts you may have today, and you are anxious because you want to make the right choice. You don't want to hurt this person by making a wrong choice. So you are waiting for clarity, and you have a lot of stress. You are a lot stressed because you want to make the choice that is good for both of you today. And you are a very kind and compassionate person. You don't want to hurt them by making this choice. So you have something important coming up in your life. Maybe it may be some career opportunities, guys, and you don't want to you don't want to hurt your person by choosing something. This person may be feeling really sad. Maybe you have to move to a different place or a city for work. You have to leave them, or it may be a long distance relationship. So, some kind of an important decision you are making today, Libras. So, for your relationship, we'll see first what is the card. It's five of spheres. So with this card, maybe you are what to say, determined about something. You are determined to, maybe if you are determined not to hurt this person, that may influence your decision. But if your determination lies in the decision, maybe you are deciding on something important for your career, that will be important for your life, then you have to make some adjustments in this relationship, and that may lead to a lot of confusion and doubts. That is what we were speaking about. So you don't want to hurt this person, so maybe you're making a choice based on that, Libras. So it is up to you what you decide for yourself, Libras, today. So you have a choice today, an important choice to make. So in your career situation, we will see what is happening. The sun. So some opportunity is coming to you, some very good opportunity. That may be the reason you are thinking and deciding about your choice, what needs to be done today, Libras. So you have a very important choice in your life today, Libras. So that is the reading with these cards, guys. Thank you for watching, Libras. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the Pick a Card Love reading that is coming up right now, guys. Hello, hello, hello. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's see what is the first card for you all. So before we see this card, I will keep the second card. Snow White, purity. So with this card, it just means that you are a very kind and compassionate soul, and maybe your circumstances, maybe you have seen a lot of struggles, a lot of stress, and people have rejected you, and there were a lot of jealousy or envy towards you. Whatever toxic emotions or toxic reactions were shown to you, you are someone pure of heart and you are good to everyone. You never show anything bad to anyone, and you do not react in a bad way. You are a person who is a pure soul, a pure heart. Or maybe there is someone like that, and this person is going through a lot of trials, lot of difficulties, but it may be quite painful to go through this circumstance right now for you or for this person you have in your life. But you need to understand that you are going to be triumphant and successful, and goodness will always be rewarded, kindness will always succeed. So you are a person who is kind, compassionate, never showing any negative emotions towards people, never reacting in a bad way, and you are surviving great tests today. So you are going through a lot. So these experiences are giving you a lot of knowledge, making you mature and making you ripe with that divine knowledge. That is the reason you have these experiences, and these experiences are nothing compared to the depth of your good soul. So whatever may come, it's not going to change you for what you are, for that pure hearted person you are. So That is the energy here, guys, with this card. So you can be happy for that. You can tread on your life path, thinking of yourself, appreciating the good qualities that you have, and being courageous and being strong and determined to walk on this path of life with honesty and with compassion and staying strong in your path. So that is the energy here with this card. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, we will see what is the card from nothing to everything. So with this card, for those who chose this card, maybe this oracle card is telling you to let go of that attachment you have over something, maybe over a person, maybe this person you love, some kind of an obsession, some kind of an attachment over your expectations or your dreams, maybe in your career. Maybe you want your dream job and you have certain expectations and you are working towards that. But today, maybe something much better than your dreams is waiting to unfold today. All you need to do is just let go of this expectation. And we need to surrender that story or fantasy we have in our mind, which we go through very often in our mind, because reality is knocking our doors and it is waiting to unfold, and it will be the best thing that can happen for us when universe is guiding those opportunities or the love of our life towards us. So maybe we are obsessed over this person we have with us right now. So our obsession is the reason for something better not unfolding in our life. So when we give up this attachment and when we give up that expectation, we can stop dreaming but start living that dream today. So that is in our hands, guys. So you need to give up all fear, give up fear in this process. Maybe there may be some changes happening, and you need to embrace these changes without expectations. Trust in yourself, trust in that divine spirit in you, and you will see that your fantasy is leading you towards fulfillment. Your all your dreams and plans, whatever you had, if you give up that expectation, it is going to manifest into reality, into your reality, and it is waiting to manifest, and you are pushing it away because of those expectations and attachment. So you need to give up that. So that is the energy here with this card for those who chose this card, guys. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.